As a driver, you depend on your navigation to get you to your destination safely, efficiently, and using the correct roads. In this video, you'll learn how to use Samsara's commercial navigation and set up your preferences. To easily access commercial navigation, scroll down and find the navigation tile. Tap the tile to open the map. Next, set up your preferences and settings. Tap the settings icon. Here, you can choose between the default map view or satellite view. If you like to plan parking in advance, the satellite view can help. You can also apply map filters such as vehicle restrictions, live weather, traffic, and route stops. Turn these filters on or off based on what you want to see on your map. Then, set up your vehicle profile. Depending on your organization's settings, this might already be set for you. Your vehicle profile will help make sure you only use roads that are right for your vehicle. If you need to set up your profile, tap this setting. You can choose from different vehicle attributes. There are also preset profiles for different vehicle types. You can pick one or customize height, width, length, and more. You can also select if you are carrying hazardous materials. Choose any extra route preferences, then save. Now you're ready to start navigating. Swipe down on the settings and enter your address or destination in the top search bar. If you have a planned route, swipe up on the Routes tab and pick your stop. Then tap Navigate. When you're in active navigation, you'll see your hours of service and turn-by-turn directions together on one screen. The dial at the bottom right shows your HOS with the least time left. To see all 4 dials, just tap it. Samsara works to keep maps current, but if you spot an error or something isn't right, tap the triangle icon to report a navigation issue to Samsara's technical team. That's it. You're ready to use Samsara's commercial navigation.